This is Scratch video 2. In this video we're going to show you how to create a simple bouncing ball program that includes creating your own sprite and making the sprite bounce on the edge of the screen. So make sure you're signed into Scratch, click on create a new program. If you're already on this page and you have a program up, it's just File and New to get a new one. So remember to name your project. I'm going to call this one Bouncing Ball. And we're not going to need the cat for this program. So to get rid of the cat, you press this button here. Now we want our own sprite, we're going to draw a ball. So to do that, we click down here and we go to Paint. Your other options are choose a sprite, surprise me, which I think is a random sprite, and upload a sprite. So if you've got a sprite on your computer, you can upload that. But for now, we're going to paint a ball. Now we just want a circle, so I'll click on Circle and draw a circle. We can choose the colour of the circle here. That looks good. Next I'm going to add a stripe to my ball. So I'm going to click on Line. This number here is how thick the line is, so I'm going to try 20 and see what that looks like. And draw a stripe. You can choose a different number. If you want a different colour for your stripe, here is the colour selection. And once you're happy with what you've drawn, you can go back to the code window by clicking up here. Okay, my ball is a little bit big, so I'm going to change this number here to 30. And as usual, I should give my sprite a sensible name, so I'm going to call it Ball. Okay, we want the ball to start in the centre of the screen. So I'm going to go over to Events and when green flag clicked, and Motion, and go to X and Y. I'm going to put in 0 and 0, because 0, 0 is the coordinates of the centre of the screen. So when I press the green flag, which is up here, the ball should jump to the centre of the screen. Next I want the ball to move. So that would be move 10 steps, but I want the ball to move all of the time. So if I go to Control, there is a loop called a forever loop, which I'm going to attach here and put move 10 steps inside. So the ball will forever move 10 steps. I also want the ball to bounce off the edge of the screen. So that's in Motion. And we have if on edge bounce. So if I click the green flag, you'll see what happens to the ball. And then the red button to stop. You'll notice my ball's just going from side to side. If I want it to go in a different direction, I can change the angle. So let's try 124, see what happens. So now it bounces about in that direction. So that's it for this video. Remember, if you want to save a copy to your computer, it's File and Save to your computer, but you don't have to do that because Scratch saves automatically to your Scratch account.